We are really on the cusp of something very big. We are heading probably for 5, maybe longer, very, very difficult years in the world. There is a war going on in Ukraine. There is a conflict on in Gaza. Red Sea, Arabian Sea mein shipping is disrupted. Aatankwaad, terrorism. You need someone who will navigate us through that. An issue which was very big in recent years was this pressure on us saying Russia say you should not buy oil. Today I'm in a political party. Uski apni vichardhara. How did you take that plunge? What pushed you in that direction or what pulled you in that direction? I tell people in a way, for me it was a very natural direction.
What does it mean for you to be an Indian?
See, sense of pride you have, वो कहने से नहीं आता.
अभी हम इलेक्शंस के टाइम है, आप क्या कहेंगे सब कोई पूरे देश में व्हाट शुड वी एक्सपेक्ट? मतलब एक साथ एकजुट होकर अगर हमें कहना है कि इंडिया हम ये एक्सपेक्ट करें जो नई गवर्नमेंट आएगी. You have to ask you this, and especially being a Bihari, I have to ask, we all grew up with an aspiration. कोई ऐसा नहीं होगा बिहार या यूपी से जो नहीं सोचा होगा IAFS नहीं बनना. And you are a formidable IAFS officer first and foremost. You were. Tell us, what does it take to be a successful IAFS officer?
Well, a lot of things, but you don't know it at the start.
Yeah.
Because I agree with you, सबकी वो तमन्ना होती है. It happened in my case too. Perhaps to some degree because my father was already in government. So there was a little bit वो घर में बात होती रहती है about this. So though there was never any pressure as such. First John, I'm the first, by the way, first foreign service officer in my family, and only one. But others are in other IAS or other services या professional लोग. कोई doctor है, कोई lawyer है. I would say to be a foreign service officer थोड़ी बहुत दुनिया की समझ होनी चाहिए. दुनिया में interest तो होना चाहिए. So, not just politics, but culture, what happens. It comes with time. Today in politics, I tell people I may be new in politics, but I've foreign service, you study politics all the time. But there is also, I think, a sense जो बढ़ता जाता है शुरू में, with experience. So I would say pride of representing India.
Yeah.
You are, when you go out in an embassy, you are, and when you become ambassador, definitely that feeling is very, very strong.
And we are very proud of you. Representing India.
I would say it's very interesting. There's some administration, there is some ability to understand and navigate the world, but there is a very strong sense about the country.
Yeah.
I think सब में होता है. I'm not, I think in any country people are proud of their country, but it's very strong in the foreign service. It's, in that sense, in some ways I would say it's almost like the military.
What does it mean for you to be an Indian?
Well, there are different ways of answering that. I think today to be an Indian, one, of course, you are born an Indian and blessed to be an Indian. I think there are a lot of attributes which come. We are people who grow up with in a very pluralistic kind of culture. So there is a Bharatiyata which is very difficult to explain to other people. How do you tell someone who's not from that same background, history, I would say tradition, in a way. So there is I would say it's in a way it's a culture, it is a belief, it's an experience. You are steeped in many things. What you learn, what you grew up with, the epics, the stories, all these define you. But again, there is that I think in every Indian, that sense of history that, we are a 5,000-year-old civilization. I think in some way, unconsciously, it is there in all of us. So even when we look at the world, you ask me, what is it like to be a foreign service officer? I think when you are an Indian foreign service officer, you are also a little bit different among the foreign service officers. That you come at the world with a certain background, a certain understanding, what I call the long view.
Yeah.
That आगे का भी long view, but in a way you come, you are carrying all the knowledge and the experience of a civilization. I think वो है, सब में है.
And that brings me to the question, sir, because I heard one of the places you were talking about higher purpose. I want to ask you, what has been your higher purpose?
Purpose, in a way, is centers around the country, because I mean, certainly the manner in which we were brought up. I mean, sometimes people ask me, अच्छा, today I'm in a political party, उसकी अपनी विचारधारा, it has this thought process. So, how did you take that plunge? What pushed you in that direction, or what pulled you in that direction? I tell people, in a way, for me it was a very natural direction, because we were brought up in a way, not in a very ideological household, but definitely a very nationalist household. That, for us, we would never miss a January 26th, August 15th. All the events which had anything to do somewhere with the nation, directly, indirectly, it's got internalized with the passage of time. So even so in a sense, even for me, the political outlook, I mean, I can differ with a lot of people, but I find, at least to me, the red lines or the thing, I expect people to be nationalists. Within that, I'm okay. When I see people doing or saying something that I feel is, not good for the country, that really troubles me. Sometimes it annoys me. But so when you say what is the purpose, I think today, for me, and the purpose has been really to see a country grow. I can think of what it was like 50, 60 years ago.
Yeah.
From where we were, where we have come, what the possibilities are. And we are really on the cusp of something very big that you can feel it, So when people speak, Amrit Kal hai, agle 25 saal mein kya hoga? To me, it's not a phrase. I'm a person who's traveled that distance, can feel today what has happened, particularly last 10 years, what has happened. And I feel today that, that purpose, that our country is among, the leading countries of the world. It was once upon a time in that position. Somewhere in history, things went against us. But we have one of those rare situations where we have a chance today to make history again, and that, I would say, is the purpose. And which is why, a person like me who's never been in politics, was no family member in politics, that is actually what has brought me into politics. It's not something which I would have naturally done if I didn't have that purpose, as you say, of seeing my country sort of go higher.
And sir, I have to say this, that, and I'm genuinely saying that we all relate to you, because one feels that very, very naturally coming. And in fact, I've talked about this, that थोड़ा पहले हम झुक के थे, अभी सीना तान के बहुत चीज़ें हुई हैं. And one thing is that the way you speak and represent India, we are not apologetic. And that brings me to the question of, why should every Indian care about foreign policy?
Well, every Indian should care about foreign policy, because foreign policy is going to impact every Indian. It's going to impact every Indian, because today we are living in a globalized world. Anything which happens anywhere, anything big which happens anywhere, is going to come to our homes. I can't build a wall between my home and the world, or my country and the world. We saw in COVID.
Yeah.
No wall could stop COVID. So, but it need not be a disaster. Sometimes like, let us say, an issue which was very big in recent years was this pressure on us saying, Russia say you should not buy oil. For me, I think for the Prime Minister also, because he gave me very clear mandate here, that if he did not make that foreign policy stance, what would have happened? What would have happened is, if we did not buy that Russian oil, but we continued to buy in the Middle East, in the Gulf, Europe also, Western countries would have also gone there. Oil prices would have gone up.
Yeah.
And that meant really that the Indian consumer, some of whom are really, low-income consumers, they would end up paying higher prices for petrol, and it would have cost everything. The petrol prices go up, inflation goes up, vegetables bhi jata hai, your daily household necessities will go up. So here is foreign policy. There is actually your price rise. Here is a connection.
Yeah.
I'm showing.
Every household.
So, but it can be other things. Sometimes by foreign policy you keep the country secure. That today, foreign policy diplomacy gives our country multiple options. That if you look at it, हम रशिया से कुछ खरीदते हैं, S-400 खरीदते हैं, हम अमेरिका से एयरक्राफ्ट हेलीकॉप्टर लेते हैं, हम फ्रांस से राफेल लेते हैं, हम इजराइल से कुछ मिसाइल या बॉम्ब लेते हैं. So what does diplomacy do? वो दरवाजे खोलता है.
Yeah.
It gives you more options. As a result, more security possibilities are there. Or it creates even employment. That today, we are seeing a new manufacturing come into being. This is a world of chips, of semiconductors. Now, countries will only produce in other countries if they trust them, because it's very sensitive.
Yeah.
Now, when we are able to convince through diplomacy some countries saying, India is okay, then they are willing to do those agreements. What do the agreements do? They end up setting up a factory, they create employment, they create technology, we internalize it. So, it could be Apple phone, it could be semiconductors, it could be petrol price, it could be even medicines.
Yeah.
So, what I tell people is, don't think, foreign policy is for foreign minister or foreign IFS to do. You also have a stake in it.
In a tech world where skills are being changed, the requirement for upskilling and being adept with whatever AI ka zamana hai aur kya hoga, what would you tell young people? How should they think about navigating this world that we are living in terms of skilling themselves, in terms of being ready for the future?
Well, I think I would tell people that focus on what enables you best to enter the job market. Different people have different skills, aspirations. There are many people today who would do, say what I did. Okay, say that, okay, we believe we would like to get government service. Very good. It's a great ambition, aspiration.
Yeah.
So prepare well, be serious. That's one kind of. There would be people who are more technology friendly, you can say. There would be people who have a natural talent, who have actually the guts and the confidence to say, okay, I want to start my own business, that I feel, I can do a startup, or I can do some patent, isko main patent kar sakta hu. So there are many more possibilities today. Today starting off a business is so much easier in this country than it was 20, 30 years ago. Today, so many new professions have come, which were not, there before. For me, one of the changes I myself see, when I visit universities, almost every university I go to, they make it a point to say, sir, wo program sab ho jaye, please give about half an hour to an hour. We want to introduce you to our students who have done projects. Some of our really good students who have even got patents, कि people who have actually started, who have startup उनकी शुरू हो गई है. So this, to me, this is a very different India. You know, हम लोग हमारे ज़माने में, I mean, frankly, we had never even heard of the word startup.
Yes.
So when I see this, and you know, everything doesn't need to be at the highest level. I mean, I see people today, even at a very practical, local, informal level. If people who are running small businesses, so what do they need finally? No, they need predictable finance. You know, because if they borrow money in the market, you know how expensive it is. These schemes today, you know, Mudra ho ya Yaswanidhi scheme ho, that what they do to start off people in small things get a little bit bigger, these really make a big difference.
You know, sir, you were saying that this India is different. And I was just thinking that I came to this India, I went to St. Stephen's College and I came from Bihar.
Huh?
So, you know, Bihar में हम लोग सब बहुत मेहनत करके पढ़ते हैं. And you know how difficult it is to get admission. And I was in Stanford, I had gone to something. And I was thinking, हम किसी से कम नहीं है और आज लगता है कि नहीं है क्योंकि I grew up in an India which was very different and I feel now the India is like there's a deep sense of pride, and again I'm coming back, so please don't think that I'm just telling you. To me, you also give a sense of pride, like, you know, the articulation, the depth of speaking and the representation that you do. I want to ask you that we all can have very different point of view about India, and we do, all of us, right? बट अगर हमें कहना चाहिए कि चलो हम लड़ रहे हैं और हमारे डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, मगर 2-3 चीज़ें हैं जो हम बहुत प्राउड हैं और हमें लाइक अनइक्वोकली इफ वी आर एनीवेयर इन इंडिया और आउटसाइड वी कैन से कि ये हुआ है हमारे लिए. व्हाट वुड दोस थिंग्स बी?
सी, सेंस ऑफ प्राइड जो है वो कहने से नहीं आता. Because anybody can say, you know, you have to believe.
Yes.
Okay. How do you believe? You believe when you see in your life that things happening. I say, अच्छा ये भी हो सकता है. That means my feeling is real. So let's look, say, last few years. You know, we had this very difficult period. Everybody had during COVID. Why was it important at that time that this whole vaccine issue के हम अपनी वैक्सीन बना सकते हैं, अपनी वैक्सीन इन्वेंट भी कर सकते हैं, you know, and not just by make an invent. And you know, many countries उनके पास वैक्सीन तो थे, they don't have a system that you got everybody vaccinated in an orderly way.
Yes.
That's उनकी आबादी बहुत कम थी हमारे हिसाब से.
Yes.
But they all struggle. Now look at our case. You know, I used to tell people, and I felt very strongly at that time. I happened to be over 65, तो मेरा नंबर पहले आ गया था वैक्सीन के लिए. तो जब नंबर आया that day, you know, a lot of people were very curious to know कि अच्छा तो क्या वैक्सीन लिया आपने? Okay. And it struck me that look, when I tell people that I took Covaxin, you know, it has an impact. I'm very proud of the fact, you know, every time I went abroad and people though, उस समय क्या होता था? We say, hello, कैसे हैं आप? अच्छा क्या वैक्सीन लिया आपने?
Yes.
This used to be
all of us.
this used to be the social conversation. So I wanted to tell people that देखो, I took a invent in India vaccine. Then even this story I've told people before, that दुनिया भर, you know, people used to carry purchase in their wallet saying, अच्छा देखिए मेरा ये certificate है. I would proudly carry my phone. You know, it was a statement. You know, for me, say, Chandrayaan, reaching the moon and that to the difficult side of a moon, that's a statement. जब हम अब दुनिया जो है वो फ़ोन पे घूमती है, when you tell people हमारे यहाँ 5G टेक्नोलॉजी है, and it's our 5G टेक्नोलॉजी, ये चाइना का नहीं है, ये यूरोप का नहीं है, ये हमारा है. See, that also makes you feel proud. But if I have to, you know, get the whole country enthused in this, we have to have a leader, I would say a message, a vision. So that is why when people say Atmanirbhar, people say make in India, these are actually ways by which that sense of pride comes. So it can be, when you wear an Indian product, when you are representing your country, it happens, somebody will ask you, "Acha, kya pehna aapne?" Now, if it is your fabric, your design, it has a message. Or if you tell people, one of the reasons, मैंने 2 किताबें लिखी हैं, आप जानते हैं. In each case, I deliberately took one epic.
Yes.
पहले महाभारत, रामायण. Why did I do it? Because I wanted to tell people, यार बार-बार वो, Machiavelli or Homer or, you don't have to, I'm nothing against it. They are all very great.
Yeah.
But if I can find our own examples, why don't you put your example? If I have to, let us say, I have learnt कि अच्छा वो अखिलेश कौन था, तो ये भी जाने ना कि हनुमान कौन थे.
Yes. Yes.
And if I don't talk about my own country, और कौन बात करेगा? I think it's important for us to, and I can tell you, I mean, some of the things I say, लोग पकड़ लेते हैं, and I feel very happy about it. जैसे I tell people, and शुरू में I think people didn't take it that seriously. मैंने कहा कि to me the 2 greatest diplomats are Shri Krishna and Hanuman. अब मैं बार बार कहता हूँ, मैं समझाता हूँ, मैं दोहराता हूँ, देन वो आइडिया पकड़ लेते लोगों.
Sir, एक बात अभी कहने Bharat Way is your book and I would highly recommend everyone to read it. I downloaded the Kindle version on and read it. We grew up in an India जहाँ TV पे देखे थे रामायण, उसके बाद it disappeared from our life. But in the book, I have such an appreciation, like that one has to learn statesmanship, business, politics. There's so much in it, and actually you are making it so mainstream. Like what got you to pick this up? And it's very beautifully, there's so many nuances that you picked up. Tell young India, why should we all be reading Ramayana and the Bharat Way?
No, India way. Why Bharat matters and India.
Why Bharat matters. Yes. Yeah.
See, I'll tell you, in a way for me, they are a little bit different, Mahabharat and Ramayana. One, of course, I think for most Indians, you grow up, घर में कोई सिखाता है, माने टीचिंग जैसे नहीं सिखाते, it is part of how you grow up.
Yeah.
कहीं ना कहीं कुछ सबको वो स्टोरी लाइन्स, घटनाएं जो भी हुआ, all that narrative जो है, अब लोगों को पता है. I would say in the case of Ramayana, it was much more broader, grandparents kind of thing. In the case of Mahabharat, for me, my father used to use a lot of it for analogies. In fact, जब हम लोग, when we were much younger, he would encourage us, saying, question us or make us think कि इन्होंने ये डिसीजन क्यों लिया, वो उनके साथ क्यों थे, सोचो कुछ कारण होगा. So that came to me much more as a strategic, political type of epic. दूसरा जो था, it was more, good, bad, जो more moral, yeah. I would say. But when I started reading it, and today there are many interesting people have been very, very creative. I was just recently my Kerala गया था, and somebody gave me a very famous translation of a perspective of Mahabharat from Bhim's eyes. There was one some time ago which was very, very I would say sold well, अच्छी किताब थी, on from Draupadi's eyes.
Yes.
So people have now built on it. And the beauty of both Ramayana and Mahabharata is they are I would say live epics. कि इसको बढ़ाते हैं, you embellish it, you look at it. There are so many versions of it also. So I felt I should make some effort to get people to look at it, saying whatever you do, exactly like you say, you may be in politics, you may be in business, you may be a journalist. I want you to relate to it and see there is something in it for everybody.
Yeah.
And I want you to make it part of your vocabulary, part of your thinking. I want this because today I again come back because at the end of the day, that foreign service and that diplomacy है मेरे जहन में है तो you keep coming back to it.
Yeah.
That I want it to become more global.
Yeah.
You know,
Yes.
and for it to be global, we need to propagate it, be proud of it, to use it, to explain it. And I can tell you today, you know, many countries are taking much more interest about India. वो जानना चाहते हैं, what are we about, you know, what is our value system, what is it we have grown up with. वो पहचानते हैं that, you know, this is not the old India कि हम West की नकल करते थे, that we have our own traditions and customs and culture and beliefs. And it's important that they get that.
Like someone like you, and this is again I'm asking for everyone who will be watching us, is कि आपसे हम क्या ये मतलब आप अपना game कैसे improve करते हैं? Because I see that you are, you know, and I've watched everything. You know, you're like I don't want to silo it into something, but I really think that you are upping your game and you're improving and you're like so good. What are some of the things that you do?
I think one thing I do, and I have also learned from others to do, is feedback. हाँ, अब कुछ भी होगा, अब हमारी इंटरव्यू खत्म होगी ना, first thing I would ask somebody else sitting in the room, अच्छा बताइए मुझे कैसे गया. You know, give me a sense.
Yeah.
Because it's very important for us to constantly evaluate ourselves. Because the moment you are satisfied, then you stop. You know. And I've seen, I mean, sometimes people, one of the questions I often get from people is, what is it like working with Prime Minister Modi? So, what is different or what is special? One of his greatest strengths and one of his favorite words is feedback. हाँ? अच्छा उसका feedback क्या था? कैसे, you know, and you know we're working with him. We give it to him, you know, very openly and transparently in terms of what the feedback is from our side. So I would say feedback is one thing which makes you grow. The second again is the world always be new things, you know, and you know the new things need not be. I mean, I'm just using this as one example. You don't have to be older to be smarter. You know, often the really new things I learn are from people much younger than, because they have you know, some insight. They grew up with something very different. So not to have very fixed assumptions. You know, I mean somewhere. I mean I know people say. कहने के लिए तो कहते हैं कि सबको कि भाई humble होना चाहिए. हम सब कहते हैं, मैं भी कहता हूँ. But actually you need to have that willingness to say कि भाई अच्छा really I didn't know that, or you know, tell me this because I don't know very much about this subject. And then there is the next step, which is to know people who know something. वो भी है कि मैं नहीं जानता पर मैं कम से कम आपको तो जानता हूँ, and you know more. And I'm willing to you know, listen to you, and maybe you will put me on to somebody else. So that sense of learning, you know, the day you stop, the day you say अच्छा मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच गया हूँ, I'm now arrived, that day you will stop.
But sir, I have a deeper question on this very quickly. The place you are in, and again you talked about Prime Minister. I also had the privilege of you know, meeting him. You know, when you reach at such a stage, and तो लोग जो आपके आसपास हैं सारे, of course you know you are like this big person. उस समय ये मतलब ये feedback लेना और ये करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. तब कैसे आदमी practice करता है?
नहीं, first of all, you know, you have to cultivate, you know, consciously have people around you जो आपसे छिपाएंगे नहीं, जो आपको directly openly खुल के बात करेंगे, जो feedback देंगे. You know, that is also that is also part of growing. I would say in government it's part of good decision making. That in decision making, if you are not willing to look in real life, all of us may not know things. Sometimes I would certainly say on my part, there would be times when somebody tells me, nahi, aisa nahi tha, aisa tha, yeah, this would be better than that. So it's important to, I encourage people around me to constantly talk to me, challenge me, interact. I may not agree with everything, but I try, and that's why, in fact, even when I go out and meet people or I talk, I try to develop this idea कि अच्छा चलिए मैंने अपना भाषण तो दे दिया, now let us sit and talk. तो आप पब्लिक में मुझे, you are welcome to tell me, or sometimes people tell me saying we don't agree with this, or we ठीक है, that's a point of view, and sometimes I actually go back and say, yeah, okay, maybe that person had a point. So it is also up to us to have in our circle people who will not say, yes, I agree with everything that they said. And I think that is, one of the reasons I would say today, because, we even take, we have today in the government actually a feedback system that people are free to mail in or give you suggestions. People often you will hear this, yaar, social media ka zamana hai, pata nahi kya kya log likh dete. People say that.
Yes.
But I tell you the most interesting thing. आपने कुछ भी पोस्ट किया ना, ठीक है, आपका पोस्ट may be interesting, maybe not. नीचे जाकर scroll करिए. That is very interesting. Because now people are commenting.
So that means you see the...
No, not always. I mean, there is someone. But it's very useful.
Very, very, very.
So,
yes.
Say if you give a speech or something,
Yes.
उसका जो feedback जो मिलता है ना, and say out of 5 points, you might say, अच्छा ठीक है, that person had a point, चलो अगले speech में I will fit that in.
Yeah, but I think there has to be a little bit of spiritually evolved to be, as you grow, to be aware, to take feedback. And it's very heartening because हम सब सीख रहे हैं, sir, with this answer, that there is, all your life you have to be open to feedback and learning. I can go on, but I have 2 last questions. One, अभी हम elections के time है, आप क्या कहेंगे सब कोई, पूरे देश में, हम क्या जो government आएगी, हम what should we all as a country, because we have a momentum, things are working for us, what should we expect? मतलब एक साथ एकजुट होकर अगर हमें कहना है कि इंडिया हम ये एक्सपेक्ट करें जो नई गवर्नमेंट आएगी.
देखिए, एक तो मुझे लगता है कि पिछले 10 साल जो फाउंडेशन जो बना है ना, दैट रिकॉर्ड ऑफ डिलीवरी, दैट इज टुडे वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, एंड हम एक टेक ऑफ पॉइंट पे आए.
हाँ.
और जो आगे के जो 25 साल जो हम अमृत काल जो कहते हैं, दैट इज़ पॉसिबल टुडे बिकॉज फाउंडेशन बन चुका है एंड वी आर रेडी टू गो हायर देन दैट. One part of it is who can think big, who can see अच्छा आगे possibilities क्या हो सकती, identify that, and उनमें वो समझ होनी चाहिए. It's not enough to dream big. वो dreams को deliver कैसे? If let us say,
हाँ.
I'm using your own some of the examples. If this is an era, ये AI का ज़माना है, chips का है, drones का है, space का है, इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल का है, सोलार का है, रिन्यूएबल का है. नाउ इन ऑल ऑफ दिस आई कैन से यस, लाइक शॉपिंग, अच्छा मुझे सब चाहिए, आई वुड लाइक टू सी एवरीथिंग, बट टू ड्रीम दैट एंड से बट मुझे सब चीज़ मेक इन इंडिया करना है, कहना नहीं है, करना है. हाउ डू आई नाउ गेट इट डाउन ऑन द ग्राउंड? सो आई वुड से व्हेन वी से अच्छा जब विकसित भारत की यात्रा जो है, व्हाट विल बी द माइलस्टोन्स? These will all be the milestones.
Yes.
That this will be, you can't forget the old things, You have still to be, your food grain should grow, your pharmaceutical should grow, your infrastructure should improve. How do you do the basics? How do you do the manufacturing, agriculture, technology? How do you do the education? How do you address the roti, kapda, makan, bijli, sadak, pani challenge? but keep going up. ये नहीं कि वो किया तो ये नहीं किया या ये किया तो वो नहीं किया. So how do you do all of this? This is on the opportunity and I'd say milestone side. But I will also say one thing today with all my experience of foreign policy. We are heading probably for 5, maybe longer, very, very difficult years in the world.
Yeah.
But just think today, there is a war going on in Ukraine.
Yeah.
There's a conflict on in Gaza. For Red Sea, Arabian Sea, mein, shipping is disrupted. Okay. In Asia, today there is a lot of tension which has arisen because of these territorial claims, not observing international law, moving forces, etc. Atankvad, terrorism, in Asia and Africa and different parts of the world. Climate ka khatra, climate change ka khatra. So you put all this together. I can tell you it will be a very, very turbulent 5 to 10 years. And in this 5 to 10 years, if you are you have to take India through this turbulence. You need very strong hands, very, sure instincts, lot of experience, lot of courage, a lot of self-assurance. You need someone who will navigate us through that. तो मैं लोगों को कहता हूँ, yes, all of us have the right and we should ask, saying आपकी delivery क्या थी? आपका record क्या था? 100%, I agree with. So today if I tell someone कि support us, I would say it on the basis of this 10-year record. But I will also tell people, थोड़ा आगे का भी सोचिए. आगे का सोचिए या आगे मुझे when I see that जो मुझे तूफान जो दिखाई देता है ना, who will you have in charge of India in this very difficult situation? आप किस पे भरोसा करेंगे? किसके जजमेंट और किसकी क्षमता पे आप विश्वास करेंगे? That I think is today a big question, and I think it's very important people take that both the record, the opportunity as well as the challenges.
सर अब ये क्वेश्चन मैं सबके लिए पूछूंगी, हर इंसान. हम लोग इंडियन हैं, ये आ वेरी वेरी वी लिव आवर लाइव्स आवर ओन वे. जैसा है हमारा, हम सबका तरीका है, बट हमें एक बहुत अच्छी खासियत है कि हम दूसरे से सीखते बहुत जल्दी. अगर कोई अच्छा दिख गया तो हम उसको वी डोंट कॉपी बट वी लर्न एंड वी वांट टू सी व्हाट्स गुड अबाउट देम.
उसमें अच्छा ही है.
ऑफ कोर्स. एंड मैं खुद सीखना चाहती हूँ एंड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ एवरीवन मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ आपसे दो सवाल पूछूंगी जल्दी से कि टेल अस थ्रू योर रूटीन ऑफ अ डे, योर डे, और दूसरा एक हैबिट जो आपने नया कल्टीवेट किया विच हैज़ वर्क फॉर यू, और एक हैबिट जो आप छोड़ना चाह रहे हैं या इज यू आर डीलिंग विथ इट एंड लाइक ऑल ऑफ अस यू आर ह्यूमन एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू.
नहीं, see my routine, I have a routine, but मेरा रूटीन थोड़ा चेंज होता रहता है क्योंकि तो जब फॉरेन पॉलिसी करते हैं, एक तो हमारे यहाँ वी ट्रैवल अ लॉट.
यस.
हाँ, तो कभी आपको पता नहीं जेट लैग में आप फिजिकली कहाँ हैं और मेंटली आप तो ये तो एक बड़ी समस्या होती है. सेकेंडली बीच में क्या होता है कि समवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड कुछ ना कुछ तो होता रहता है. तो आई वुड से हफ्ते में 2 दिन कहीं ना कहीं 2 बजे 3 बजे कोई फ़ोन करेगा, कुछ होता, ये भी होता रहता है. सो देयर इज़ अ
राउंड द क्लॉक,
देयर इज़ अ सर्टन माने यू बिल्ड योर लाइफ अराउंड दैट डिस्टर्बेंस, वो भी आदत बन जाती. बट बिकॉज आई स्टार्ट माई डे नॉट वेरी अर्ली, सो आई मीन 6 something. At least for me, that compared to some of my family members, that is not so early.
Okay.
And usually I try to in the morning get some basic routine. For some time now, I've been doing yoga. I've been doing some some physical physiotherapy or stretching. I would say physiotherapy is not the right word. Stretching, kind of thing. And one habit which I've had now for many years. मैं गेम खेलता हूँ. मैं यूजुअली आई प्ले स्क्वॉश. तो बीच में जैसे अब कोविड के समय में वो स्क्वॉश बंद हो गया तो मैं बैडमिंटन खेलता था पीछे नेट लगा के. इंडियंस कैन दो खंबे लगा के यू कैन एनीबडी कैन गेट मूविंग ऑन दैट. So but what it does is in the morning you kind of worked yourself out, And I think that's very good to have the right mental frame. And many days I take a walk, even maybe about half an hour. That is one thing. Usually I do it with my wife. कम से कम हम बात तो करते हैं उस समय. So that is a additional value for that time as well. And then वो ऑफिस का रूटीन आ जाता है, बिकॉज हमें जो है सुबह वी गेट अ रिपोर्ट फ्रॉम अराउंड द वर्ल्ड कि एवरी मॉर्निंग इतने मान लीजिए 125 एम्बेसीज हैं, तो सब नहीं पर कम से कम उनमें से काफ़ी सारे कुछ ना कुछ उनके यहाँ कुछ घटना हुई होगी, सो दे वुड हैव सेंट समथिंग. Then I also in the morning try to rapidly catch up with the news, and that's actually quite a challenge, because इसको अगर आप ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं करेंगे ना, इतना इन्फॉर्मेशन है कि आप इन्फॉर्मेशन में डूब जाएंगे. So what happens is today, एक तो हम पेपर तो देखते हैं आजकल. मेरी वो आदत, पुरानी आदत अभी भी है, मैं फिजिकली पेपर देखता हूँ कि करीब 10-12 पेपर फटाफट यू गो थ्रू. बट माई सिस्टम हेल्प्स मी, बिकॉज वो इंफॉर्मेशन ओवरलोड होता है, तो जो रेलेवेंट स्टोरीज जो हैं उसकी एक निचोड़, एक कुंजी जैसे बना के आपको भेज देते हैं. देन टुडे वेयर टेक्नोलॉजी इज़ वेरी गुड, हम लोग जो हैं कोई इंटरेस्टिंग इशू हो ना, तो आपस में somebody says भाई आपने ये स्टोरी देखी है, यहाँ आई है, सो दे फ्लैग इट फॉर योर अटेंशन. और कुछ ऐसे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स हैं या ईमेल ग्रुप्स हैं जहाँ you get something. So ये सब सुबह तक by the time you are ready to go to work ये हो चुका.
All done.
Once you go to work, then it is like a treadmill.
What time do you work?
It would vary. I would say usually around about 9:30 or so.
So you've done all this by 9.
All this time.
From 6 to 9:30 done. With performance pressure. Then after that.
नहीं, एक बार वो काम शुरू हो जाता तो then काम एंड वो कुछ मीटिंग होती हैं, something that carries you through till late in the evening. And then evening what happens is you end up, जो फाइल्स वगैरह होती हैं, सेक्रेटरी हो या मिनिस्टर हो, वो तो आपको निपटना होता है. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ टेक्स अप द समटाइम्स स्पेशल मीटिंग्स होती हैं, पॉलिटिकल मीटिंग्स होती हैं, या आपको कुछ I get to do some of my video or phone calls, because there are people जो हमसे पूरब में है, उनसे हम सुबह बात करते हैं. जो शाम को जो है वो जो पश्चिम में है, you have to reach out to them. So it's a very, in a way it's a 24/7 life, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई तो जागा है and कुछ ना कुछ तो हो रहा है.
और उसमें अपने बुक भी लिखा है.
हाँ. So it happens in this, but ये over a period of time इसकी अपनी रूटीन बन जाती है. You kind of learn. अब some days are a little bit slower. एक ज़माने में लोग सोचते थे सैटरडे संडे छुट्टी है, अब वो भी दैट इन रियलिटी इज़ नॉट दैट. पहले क्या होता था कि ओवरफ्लो जो होता था वो सैटरडे चले जाता था. अब क्या होता है, जो सैटरडे को जो ख़त्म नहीं होता वो संडे चले जाता है. बट बीच में जहाँ टाइम निकाल सकते हैं निकाल लेते हैं कुछ. बट आई डू सम थिंग्स, जैसे अब कहीं समय मिलता है, यू आर इन द कार और यू आर इन द प्लेन, कहीं आई कैरी iPad, मैं कोई मूवी देखता हूँ, कोई सीरियल देखता हूँ, या गाना.
You do all these normal things also.
Yeah. No, I read books, I listen to music, I watch movies. And now movies is a bit of a challenge because you don't get that 2 घंटे नहीं मिलते.
Yeah.
So I prefer serials now. 45 मिनट में you can see one serial, at least you can kind of move on to something else.
You're making us all feel better about our lives. Thank you so much, sir. And I just have to say, because I have the privilege right now to sit in front of you, and I'm saying what I said in the beginning, and I've continued to say कि बहुत चीज़ बदला है इस देश में, और हमें बहुत ही genuinely बहुत pride feel होता है when we hear you, when we see you represent our country. Because बहुत नाज होता है, और मैंने इस पे वीडियो भी बनाया about you. Now I get to meet you. This is such a manifestation for me, and this is also New India, where today people can come and sit across and talk to a minister, right? And I think those things have changed about this India, and thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's really a great pleasure talking to you. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And hope to see you, carrying this forward. Who knows in the coming years.
How many stories?
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you.
Take care.